Hi, we're the cooks. I'm Maura, and our family's going to be working with the folks at fastgrowingtrees.com to share with you the simple and enjoyable process of planting at your home. With my husband Pierce working behind the scenes, Pierce Embry, Archer, Rosemary, and I will be sharing things like the order and delivery process, choosing the right plant for your space and needs, soil management, and overall plant care. We'll talk about the great service you'll receive in support of your chosen plants, and also show some fun ways children can contribute to the process. We are originally from the East Coast, and I grew up in a small farming town. We now live just outside of Los Angeles, and it is important to find ways to introduce agricultural appreciation to our family. For us, it's an added sense of home. There's a ton of information out there, and it can be really hard to determine what plants are best for your space. Fast Growing Trees takes away a lot of that guesswork with a wide range of categories and solutions, all at your fingertips. I can quickly read about the care and description of each plant in detail, and even mark a wish list under my account to review later with the family or read about when I have more time. With the amount of time we've been spending at home recently, taking care of new plants is a project we are all looking forward to. Together we'll learn about the individual care and life cycles, while also teaching the kids about the discipline and responsibility necessary for them to thrive. The kids made a list of plants that they thought would be nice for our patio, so we're going to let them draw from the jar to choose which one we're going to go with.
Archer, can you open it? Avocado! Avocado!
I'm the kind of person who is throwing a birthday party, and the next day I start planning the birthday party for the next year. So I knew when we started talking about bringing new plants into our care that I would want to be as prepared as possible. Now, Fast Growing Trees stocks everything that we needed to get started, so I knew soil and plants were already taken care of and on the way. We just had to worry about our pots. We got our shipment in, and it was time to start getting our hands in the dirt. The day for potting was definitely one for the memory books. Our boys love nothing more than to get away with making a mess. Moving forward, it's about taking the time every day to come outside together and check the soil, look at the leaves, and really determine what the plants are trying to communicate to us. We're only at the beginning of the journey with these new plants, and they're already part of our family. Next time, we'll be able to show you how vital the staff at Fast Growing Trees was in helping our family pick out the best plants for our home. We'll also talk about how we chose the spots where we'll be placing them and what we needed to have prepared for their arrival. Thank you for growing with our family. We'll see you next time.